Hi, everyone. Today, we'll briefly cover email marketing and how to use it effectively to strengthen your modern marketing strategy. Let's get started. Email marketing is a powerful tool to reach your audience directly and drive engagement and conversions. Here's how to do it effectively. First, build a quality email list. Focus on gathering genuine subscribers who are interested in your content or products. Use sign-up forms on your website. Offer incentives like discounts or free ebooks, and ensure compliance with data protection laws. For example, an online store might offer a 10% discount to new subscribers. Next, segment your audience. Group your subscribers based on demographics, purchase behavior, or engagement levels. This allows you to send tailored content that resonates with each segment. For instance, a fashion retailer might segment their list by gender and style preferences. Create engaging and relevant content. Your emails should provide value, whether it's through informative newsletters, promotional offers, or personalized recommendations. Ensure your subject lines are catchy and your content is visually appealing and concise. For example, a tech blog might send a weekly roundup of the latest gadgets and reviews. Personalization is key. Use your subscribers' data to personalize your emails. Address them by their names and send content based on their past interactions and preferences. For instance, a travel agency might send personalized vacation offers based on previous destinations a subscriber has shown interest in. Automate your campaigns. Use email marketing tools to set up automated email sequences like welcome series, abandoned cart reminders, and post-purchase follow-ups. Automation helps maintain consistent communication without manual effort. For example, an e-commerce site might automatically send a follow-up email 1 week after a purchase asking for a review. Monitor and analyze your performance. Track metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates to understand what's working. Use this data to optimize your future campaigns. For example, if you notice higher engagement with email subject lines that include emojis, incorporate them more often. A/B test your emails. Experiment with different elements like subject lines, images, call to action buttons, and sending times to see what resonates best with your audience. For example, a fitness brand might test different CTAs like join now versus sign up today to determine which drives more signups. Ensure mobile friendliness. Many users read emails on their smartphones, so make sure your emails are optimized for mobile devices. Use responsive design, concise content, and clear CTAs. For instance, a restaurant might ensure their promotional emails about special deals look good on both desktop and mobile. Finally, maintain good email deliverability. Avoid spammy content and ensure your emails comply with anti-spam laws. Use double opt-in methods and clean your email list regularly to keep it healthy and engaged. In summary, effective email marketing includes building a quality list, segmenting your audience, creating engaging content, personalizing emails, automating campaigns, monitoring performance, A/B testing, ensuring mobile friendliness, and maintaining deliverability. Thanks for watching. I hope this clarified email marketing in a modern strategy. Share your comments and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.